I'm not aware of any situation where time is more important and critical than in a crisis.
It's time brigade. Time brigade. It's time brigade. Join the time brigade.
COVID-19 has taught us this very well on a global level. People who have not served in the army or those who have not faced life and death situations will probably not understand it as much as these people do. When there is a sudden crisis, the most important thing that starts happening is, can you handle time effectively? And the success and failure of such incidents, such crises, depends on two things. One is utilization of time, and second is presence of mind or keeping yourself alert. Just imagine if there was an announcement on the radio just now or on the TV that there's going to be a nuclear explosion in the next 30 minutes and the fallout would reach your location in, let's say, that much time. What would you do in those 30 minutes is something that you will wonder. When it happens suddenly. And in 30 minutes, you have to save your life. 30 minutes, you have to save the life of your family. What really matters is, do you have checklists available for such emergency situations? And I, as a time investment strategist, don't call them checklists. I don't call them cheat lists. I call them speed lists because they enable speed of action. They enable speed of thought. And a lot of thinking that you would be doing in those 30 minutes can be prevented if you have got the speed list. And the speed list would have a lot of actions that you could take whenever crisis happens. When the crisis comes, do you think that checklist or the speed list is absolutely applicable? No, not really. But you'll be surprised that if you have done that preparation, many of the things that happen now, because of your mind having gone into preparation of that speed list, will help you recover faster. It'll help you get into action and modify actions required because you've already done the spade work. Maybe 40 to 50 or even 60% things happen according to that checklist. And the remaining 30 will be lesser time required. Your panic will be less. And therefore, to be out of your crisis in the least amount of time, remain calm and maintain your speed lists. For any assistance in that, do contact me. I'll help you with speed lists. Thank you.